My people, how una dey? Una welcome to another ogbonge informate with una crypto babe. Today, I wan catapult una go another level, and our topic today na wetin you need to know about cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining na the way when different types of cryptocurrency dey confirm transactions and also add these transactions to the blockchain digital ledger. I don explain before say this blockchain digital ledger be like akawo or alajo book. If alajo collect money for your hand, im go write am inside im book, come still write for your card say im collect money for your hand. Na so different computers dey create blocks to talk say person do transaction for the blockchain. Na wetin make oyibo man talk say the blockchain cannot be manipulated. Wetin e mean be say you no fit do mago as plenty computer don see say you do that transaction, you no fit change am be that. Back to the mining matter. Every time when dem do any transaction with any cryptocurrency, na the miner dey ensure say the information about that transaction correct, and na im dey add the transaction to the blockchain. E no end for there o, as cryptocurrency miners dey do competition among themselves to solve maths wey hard well. This maths na wetin dem dey call cryptographic hash functions. Dem dey use solve am. The first crypto miner to solve the maths wahala go collect gift. The gift na say im go fit put stamp for transactions when dey go on for the blockchain. So that dem no go dey work in vain, crypto miners dey collect some small cryptocurrency for the work wey dem dey do. Before you fit become crypto miner, you need ogbonge or conga machine dem. These computers must get wetin dem dey call graphical processing unit, that is GPU chip, abi application specific integrated circuit, ASIC. That one na plenty grammar, just know say na computer wey get strong power finish. You must also get fan wey go dey blow breeze give the computer so that heat no go kill am. Then you also need to get plenty data o. No be internet connection when dey get mental breakdown o. You also need cryptocurrency mining software, and you con need light, plenty light, no be this mago light wey we dey get. Then you need wetin dem dey call mining pool and cryptocurrency exchange. Na here we go stop today. For part 2, I go talk more about mining pool and how to mine with your laptop or phone. No forget to like, share and subscribe. I still remain una crypto babe, and my name na Rebecca.